Sanju, what have you done? You dropped the cake? My birthday cake. You can't even handle a cake?
My leg slipped.
Your leg slipped or you don't pay attention. Now what will I do?
This is spoiled now, so I'll order a new one.
Really? This got spoiled, so you will order a new one. As a boyfriend, you are bad. So should I change you too?
Why are you saying this, Swara?
So what can I say? Today's my special day and you have ruined everything. I ordered cake with so much love.
I didn't do it on purpose.
I am now getting very angry on this time. Swara, what is there to getting angry in this? Anybody can do mistake, na? Yes, your birthday cake is not spoiled, na? That's why you're telling me. If my cake would have fallen, I wouldn't react like this. For me, my partner is important, not the small cake, which we can order again. But for what you are making him feel like this, he won't come back if you will lose him. Like him, na? There are many behind me. Just came. Do you know? Few days ago, Sagar proposed me. Until now, I have not answered him anything. What? You are in a relationship, so why you did not refuse him? Why will I refuse? If something goes wrong with him, I should have an option with me. Wow, what a mindset you have. Because of girls like you, all other girls are defamed. Everybody does. Nobody does. Girls like you does. Look, no need to argue with me. You are my friend. You are here for my birthday party. If you will say something else, na, get lost from here. I'm leaving.
Wait, Swara, you still have my option open. Think about it. Why are you having a stupid party at home? Let's go out somewhere. We'll bash your birthday party properly. Come on, let's go out.
Fine. I'm ready. Let's go.
What? Ready? Okay, go. But before that, know one thing.
What do you mean? What truth?
That I didn't drop it. I dropped it on purpose. So that I get on my knees and propose to you for marriage.
Really? So you were doing this intentionally? Sorry, I never knew. Actually, sorry.
I didn't know that you would change your color so soon. I wanted to propose to you in a unique way. But I didn't think it would be so unique. Never.
Actually, Sanju, I got so much angry. Just that's why. I'm sorry.
You got angry? You don't know your partner in your happiness. You will know that only when we make a mistake or a bad situation occurs. And how she handles that situation. You didn't handle this situation. In fact, you ruined it. Not just ruined, you ended the relationship. You have an option with me.
No, there is nothing like that. He proposed me, so I refused. I told him that I have a boyfriend.
You refused him. You didn't refuse him. You said, I'll think about it and let you know. I need time. You were going to accept his proposal in front of me, right? Wait a minute. Riya, will you marry me?
Sanju, marriage?
Yes. You are that kind of girl to whom we should get married. It's pointless to date you to see if our relationship will work out or not. You are so calm in such situations. You take such sensible decisions. I don't think I'll get a better girl than you.
Sanju, you are a very nice guy. In fact, every girl needs a boy like you. You are doing so much for her. But till date, I never heard any praise for you from her. She never appreciates you. She's never thankful for you anything. She thinks everything is her, right?
That's her thinking. Tell me, will you marry me?
Yes. And I promise you that you will never regret this decision.
Happy birthday, Swara. You celebrate your birthday with your new boyfriend. Oh, not new. With your option. Let's go, Riya. Why are you standing like this? Let's go and cut your cake. Come on.
Will I cut your cake? Get lost from here.
Hey man, you just said yes to me.
That time I said you yes, na? Now I'm saying no. Get lost from here.